What do you see out there in the dark? For thousands of years, we've looked to the stars to find our place in the universe. Yet the essential forces of life remain invisible to our eyes. Gravity is a warp in space-time. Its force pulls clouds of dust together. Out of the ashes, a new star is born. Reach out and feel the energy of the star. Look inside the star. This supernova rattles the fabric of space, opening a void we call a black hole. A black hole's gravity is so strong it bends the universe around it. This is called gravitational lensing. Nothing can escape. Not even light. Time itself is warped as it's pulled towards the black hole's center. You are a star, sucked into the black hole's gravitational pull. 1 minute in a black hole's gravity, and 1,000 years passes on Earth. At its center, we peer towards nothingness. Unlike other corners of space, black holes possess an event horizon, a boundary that cuts it off from the rest of the universe. Nobody has ever seen what awaits inside. You can't see into a black hole, but you can see out. Once you cross the event horizon, the whole universe is suddenly visible above you. Pass this threshold, and there is no escape. Gravity increases as you fall towards the heart of a black hole. Its force stretches a star into strands of light. Below you is the singularity, a one-dimensional point where gravity becomes infinite. This is the center of a black hole. At the singularity, a star is lost forever as it vanishes into nothingness. The laws of space and time no longer apply. Reach up and make your way towards the surface. are a black hole, a tear in the fabric of the universe. Reach towards the glowing star. Nothing can escape your grasp, not even another black hole. When two black holes collide, they bang on the surface of time like a drum. The collision of two black holes creates a gravitational wave, a ripple in the fabric of space-time. Invisible to our eyes, these waves travel billions of years, eventually reaching Earth. For the first time, we hear two black holes sing. Use the sound of your voice to hear the music of the cosmos. What else can you hear out there?